Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on null and alternative hypotheses. This is a short video and is intended to practically give you an idea on how to formulate these before starting any analysis. More in-depth videos are available elsewhere on YouTube. The null hypothesis states that a population parameter such as the mean, median, standard deviation, etc. is equal to a hypothesized value or is equal between two or more groups. For example, in an experiment designed to quantify proteinuria among two groups treated differently with steroids and with cyclophosphamide in patients with nephrotic syndrome, we may state the null hypothesis as there exists no difference in the amount of proteinuria in the group treated with steroids and in the group treated with cyclophosphamide in patients with nephrotic syndrome. The alternative hypothesis rejects the null hypothesis and states that there exists a difference or inequality between groups. It may prove to be an inequality, or one group might be superior or one group may prove to be inferior. Building on the previous example, we may state the alternative hypothesis as there exists a significant difference in the amount of proteinuria in the group treated with steroids and the group treated with cyclophosphamide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.